Hey guys, Sarah here. Oh, and Josie, forgot you're here too. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be opening up our Allure beauty box for March 2020. This is a $15 a month subscription. In here, we should get between like 5 and 7 normally. Beauty, skincare, hair care, makeup sort of products. Usually sample size, sometimes full size, deluxe sample size as well. If you're new to my channel, I am a cruelty-free sort of gal, so if I don't know if something's cruelty-free at the time of filming, I will always let you know somewhere on the screen or in the description box. I will also break down the value of this box, so I will figure out the sample size of everything and let you guys know that and let you know the total value of the box, see if we're getting a good deal or not. This box tends to have more like bougie, high-end brands in here, so we normally well exceed the $15 that it costs. I mean, obviously, that'd be kind of crappy if you if you got this and it's like its total value is $15. No, it's not like that. But yeah, let's just go ahead and open this up. I have no idea what's in here. I don't really look at spoilers or things like that. I like to be surprised. So when I take the first item out of here, it's the first time I've seen it. So I'm blind to it just like you. So when you open it up, it's wrapped in tissue paper like that. Right on top here, we're going to have this little pamphlet, and it will have everything we're getting in here as well as their full-size value. So I will let you know that. And then it'll also have like a little blurb in here of like why a particular editor at Allure chose this product to be in this month's box. Okay, enough talking. Let's just go ahead and pull out the first thing. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is actually a repeat from this box, as well as, which box did I get this in last month, or this month? I think I got this in a Birch box as well. This is the Floss, my new favorite lip gloss. There it is. This is saying the color is Lax, which I didn't even realize these had like different variations. Oh, so this one's definitely different than anyone I've ever gotten. The one I got in my Birch box I still have right here. I don't think I did not use this. This is going into a giveaway. But that's what this one is, and this is in Allure. So I never even paid attention that these like maybe came in different variations. So this one I'm like not really into, the clear gloss, but this one I might give a try. I really like the color. It's definitely a color that I, wear on a daily basis. It does. Ooh, it smells like vanilla. So I'll go ahead and do a quick swatch for you. Okay, so you can't even see. It's just like a little bit pigmented. It does feel a little bit sticky like a gloss, but not like super sticky. And it smells really good. I definitely am planning to keep this. Obviously, I rubbed it on my hand, but I think I am going to use this. Might throw it in my purse. So definitely smells good, which is like the biggest selling point for me, but I'm also excited to know that these like actually came in colors, so that's exciting. Let's see if we can get a full-size value on that. I want to say 21 bucks. 16 bucks, okay. So yeah, 16 bucks for that. Let's move on to the next item. Okay, so this next thing is from Mamond, I think is how you say it, which is not cruelty-free. This is the Red Energy Recovery Serum, Blossoming Energy. There's the packaging. I'm not sure exactly what this even is. Oh, so it's some sort of like pump. Obviously not going to use it because they are not cruelty-free, but let me get you a little more information on what exactly it is. So it's just smoothing and brightening serum. Interesting. So I'm not sure if it's something I would typically use, but I would try it if it were cruelty-free, but definitely not going to use that one. With this option, the little pamphlet here is telling me that you could have gotten the Red Energy Recovery Serum, which I got, or you could have gotten the Petal Spa Oil to Foam Cleanser, which I've gotten before. It was rose scented. I wasn't a fan of that. And they're not cruelty-free, so, but I just remember like the strong scent of rose. So if I were going to get one, I would be happy it's that, but I'm not going to be using that. And the full-size value of this is 40 bucks, so kind of on par for what a serum would cost. But yeah, disappointed in that one. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. The next thing I am pulling out is from Urban Decay. This is the 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, and mine is in the shade 0, which I assume will be black. I've never tried a pencil from Urban Decay, but I do like actual pencils. So let's go ahead and give it a swatch and see what it feels like. Okay, so it went on like that. It's not like super dark, but it's dark enough that I would still use it. Very creamy, nice pencil. I definitely will be using this. So excited to get that. This looks about half size, but the full size of it is $22, so probably not something I would personally pay for an eyeliner, especially a pencil. Whoops. But yeah, excited that I got it in this box. All right, let's pull out the next thing. The next thing is from Dr. Botanicals, which I'm pretty sure is cruelty-free. Yes, it is. This is the LM Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. Packaging, pretty simple. I'm not sure what that means. Let me grab my tweezers so I can cut the packaging here. I'm not sure if this is like hand lotion or body lotion or what exactly it is, but there it is. It's just like in a little tube. Let me find the page on the book. Yeah, it looks like it's just like a typical, like all over hand lotion, body lotion sort of thing. It does have a safety seal on it, so let me go ahead and take that off. We'll go ahead and see what it feels like. Ooh, it's very like lemon scented, which obviously it's called lemon superfood. There's what it looks like. So just like oh, it is pretty thick. It's like a thick cream. Definitely feels nice. It smells so good. It smells like a lemon head, like the candy, if you've ever had that. I like that. And it's not like super greasy. I definitely will use that. That seems like a really, really good product. And the full size is $14.90, so not too expensive. And this might be full size. I'm not sure, but it might be. Okay, let's see. The next thing I am pulling out is from Rodial. I'm not sure exactly. I'm pretty sure this brand's cruelty-free. This is the Glamo Lash Mascara XXL Extreme Black Lash Maximizer for amplified volume. So it's just a mascara. Let me go ahead and take the outer packaging off so I can show you what the wand looks like. Ooh. So it is like a more wet formula, which I typically like. I find that it coats the lashes better. And then the wand is pretty standard. It's nothing really special about it. It does seem a little thicker to have like maybe some volumizing, but nothing like super special about it. Just looking at it, I haven't used it on my eyes, of course, but and this looks like it's a full-size mascara. And the full size, which I think this might be, is valued at 28 bucks. So yikes. I don't know if I would pay that for a mascara. Maybe. I don't know. I've had some good mascaras that probably cost about that. But I don't know if I'd pay for this particular one. We'll have to see. Okay, looks like I have one last thing in here. This is from Lapkos, which I've never heard of. This is the Hyaluronic Moisturizing Face Mask, I assume, sheet mask. It does say cruelty-free on the back, so that's good. It looks like K-Beauty. It is mostly an Asian language written on the back. I don't know for sure if it's K-Beauty, but I would guess it's K-Beauty. So I do enjoy sheet masks. I'm glad I got this hyaluronic acid one. The other one you could have gotten was a ceramide one, which is like a firming one, and this is the moisturizing one. I would have been happy with either one of them, really. But I do have dry skin, so a moisturizing one is good for me. And let's see, it's valued at $3, so very affordable, on par with most other sheet masks. So there's that. Okay, so that is everything I got in this month's Allure Beauty Box. I would love to know what you guys thought of my box. Overall, I don't think this was like their best box. I mean, it didn't seem like real high end like it normally does. What I'm most excited about is the body lotion, just because it smells so good and it feels really nice on my skin. And I'm excited to give this a try on my lips. I would put it on my lips, but I'm actually wearing red lipstick today of all days. I normally wear like a nude. But I'm definitely excited to give that a go. So overall, like, wasn't my favorite, but it wasn't a bad box by any means. There was only one thing that wasn't cruelty-free, and that was the Mamonde item. So that's, you know, that's pretty good for a beauty box to only have one item that's not cruelty-free. So yeah, let me know what you guys thought down below. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in a video very, very soon. Bye.